everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is currently Sunday, so I'll be doing a little planning for the week, because without any planning the week just goes and we don't really realize if we have achieved something or not. So I don't usually make a to-do list, but I tried it yesterday for the first time. So I wrote some things that I wanted to do kal, and except one thing I did all of the things. So I will try to do the same thing today as well. I will make a checklist, a to-do list, and at the end of the day I'll just see if I have finished those things or not. So I did this weekly planning thing last week also, and I felt that I was much more organized than I usually am. So I'll be doing the same thing this week as well.
And I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice.
So it literally took me 1 minute to make the to-do list. I just wrote it on a paper, and today's most important thing would be cleaning. Now cleaning might not be the most important job for the day for everyone, but in my case today it is. If I don't do it today, then I will just procrastinate it the whole week, and my energy levels are good today, so I'll be doing it. I also wrote it yesterday, and it's the one task that I didn't complete yesterday, so I'll be for sure doing it today. Apart from that, I need to shoot 2 videos. I don't know if I'm asking too much. I will try to at least shoot 1 video. If possible, I'll be shooting 2, and I will not edit anything today. I will either shoot 1 video and edit it, or I will shoot both the videos and edit in the coming week. Also, I will read. Reading I've made the most important thing, because lately I've realized that the more I'm reading, the more I'm becoming sane. I'm talking sense. So yes, that's what I'm going to do. I have already completed 3 chapters. I will start my 4th chapter today. And I was watching Ali Abdaal's video, who is a famous YouTuber, but I found him 2 days back only. I saw some of his videos. So he talked about an app called the Forest app. So I downloaded the app, and it looks like this. This is like planting a tree. It's like a session to do any work. So I'm using it for reading, and whenever I am starting with my reading, I am just pressing this plan button. It's a timer, basically 25 minutes timer, and as you'll read or as you'll do your work, the plant will grow into a tree. So this is how the forest looks like. So total focus time for yesterday was 51 minutes, because I took 2 sessions. I basically read for 50 minutes. So that's how it works. It is not some wow technology, but it is still a good app, because you are at least focused for 25 minutes. I also made this September plan, in which I wrote the videos that I wanted to shoot. So that's that. So I simply just wrote the days and the days that I am having a workout. So whenever I try to do workout every day, I don't do it. I am either tired or I just don't feel like doing it every day. So this week I just wrote workout for 4 days, which is achievable, I think. And also the rest 3 days is for editing, because I just have time in the morning. I have 6 to 8:30, and I cannot do both the things in that particular time. So what I'm doing is I'm giving 4 days to work out and rest 3 days to edit the videos. So that's how it is. I'll just keep it here. I just paste it here on my desk. And I'm also trying to get up early. So usually these days I am waking up at 6 a.m. now, but to achieve more, I think I want to wake up at 5 a.m. but I don't want to shift my schedule from 6 to 5 a.m. just like that, because I do not know if I'll be able to handle it. So मैंने क्या किया है that I downloaded this app called Alarmy, because usually what we do is when the alarm rings, we just dismiss the alarm and we sleep back. That's how at least I do. But with the help of this app, you can set challenges. So I set challenge of solving 3 problems. So when the alarm rings and you press the dismiss button, what it does is it will take you to those 3 problems, and once you will solve those 3 problems, only then the alarm will be dismissed. And 3 maths problem के बाद तो दिमाग चलने लगता है, so you get up. So again, that works for me. So if you want to give it a try, then you can download it Play Store से Alarmy. So that was my little planning session and to-do list for today. I will just make the necessary changes in the video schedule and then I'll start with the day. So I'll be cleaning my house, but usse pehle I'll be having my breakfast क्योंकि I need some energy. So I am having poha for my breakfast and उसके बाद I'll be doing the cleaning stuff. So I just finished shooting a haul and ये पूरा haul का अभी तक कपड़े पड़े हुए हैं. This I have to put back अपने जगह पे and I have done most of the cleaning. ये जो बस अब थोड़ा सा ये मैंने फैलाया है, this I have to keep, otherwise पूरा मस्त अच्छा से प्रोडक्टिव दिन जा रहा है. एंड मेरे टू डू लिस्ट में से ऑलरेडी 2-3 चीज़ें कट हो चुकी हैं. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद इट. It's 1:30, so I'll be thinking something about lunch and lunch के लिए कुछ मंगवाते हैं. So it's 6 o'clock right now and I watched a movie today which was Ella Enchanted. It's on Netflix. मैंने बहुत टाइम बाद ऐसे प्रिंसेस टाइप के मूवीज़ देखे हैं and I really loved the movie. It was from 2004, so बहुत but still I liked it. It was about a princess named Ella, जिसके की बर्थ पे एक फेरी ने उसको कर्स, she gave her a blessing but it became a curse for her because the blessing was to be obedient to everyone. So उसको वो चीज़ बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम से फंसा देती है. So that was the movie. So I really loved the movie and I didn't sleep आज दोपहर में because then I thought कि रात को ठीक से नींद नहीं आएगी. So I didn't sleep today. Usually मैं छुट्टी के दिन मॉर्निंग में सो जाती हूँ, but I was working one or the other thing all day. But now I am all relaxed and I am thinking to finish one more chapter of the book, read the book and sleep early today. Not at 6 of course, but आराम से थोड़ा बुक पढ़ के then चाय वाय पियेंगे. And it's been quite a productive day for me, so I'm going to bring my book and read it now. So I was going to take my book and वहाँ पे मेरा हाथ मेरे नेल पेंट पे लग गया एंड वो सारा ज़मीन पे गिर गया, पूरे टाइल्स पे, मेरे हाथ पे, हर जगह. एंड आई एंड अप स्पेंडिंग बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम फ्लोर को साफ करते करते. वो फिर भी नहीं निकला ठीक से, तो फ्लोर से फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत निकल गया है, बट वहाँ पे जो अलमीरा था उसके वुड पे थोड़ा सा लग गया है एंड वो नहीं निकल रहा है, उससे साथ में पेंट भी निकल रहा है. एनीवे, आई हैड माई टी एंड नाउ आई एम रेडी to read and I have my setup ready. कैंडल वैंडल मस्त लगा के and I will be reading here. आराम से यहाँ बैठ के पढ़ती हूँ. So I am back from where I started in the morning and I finished all what I wrote in my to-do list, which is a great achievement. And I also completed my 4th chapter and half of the 5th chapter. I was not feeling like reading more, so that's about it. I'm going to end this vlog here. If you like what you see, then click on the like button and I will meet you in my next video. Bye bye.